morning and welcome back to South Africa. Nice brisk winter morning here, but looks like it's going to be a great day, and I think it's a great day to build a door for this chicken coop. By the way, my name is Don, originally from Texas. I live here in South Africa. But need a door for this chicken coop. I think it'll be a great little project for this build, and let's get some measurements and get going. Okay, that length measured out to 1,575 millimeters, and the width was 650 millimeters. Yep, you heard it, millimeters. South Africa uses the metric system, so that's what we got to use here. Because you buy lumber, or planks as they're called here, in millimeters, the length that is. 3,000 millimeters, which is about 10 feet, or 6,600 millimeters, which is about 22 feet. And there's some other odd sizes as well, lengths, I should say. Instead of a 2x4, you buy a 38 by 76, and a 2x6 is a 38 by 114. Another challenge I had when I moved here is electricity. South Africa uses 220, 240 volt, 50 hertz system. So I use a generator I brought with me to power my corded tools, as well as recharge battery for the cordless. The generator is running during most of this filming as I'm trying to charge up my batteries, and the reason why I did the voiceover. The cost of this project came out at about $45 to $47, give or take, depending on the dollar to the South African rand conversion, which currently is around 16.50 South African rand to $1. With the boards all cut to length, I assembled the frame using pocket holes and glue to connect the pieces. I'm marking the sides here so I'll know which way is which, just in case. And I'm using the trusty old Craig pocket hole jig to drill the pocket holes. By the way, FYI, the standard door size in South Africa is 2,032 millimeters in length and 813 millimeters in width. Just making sure everything's square before I screw everything together. And after I assembled the door frame, I test fitted the frame, and it was just a little too tight. So I planed off about 2 millimeters off the top. And with my paint clothes on, it's time to add a penetrating wood preservative. There, I got it out. In addition to extending the life of the wood planks, I'm hoping this will deter termites, woodpeckers, and other boring insects that we have here that seem to feast on the raw wood. It's the next day, and after giving the frame time to dry overnight, I add the welded wire mesh with staples. Lots of staples. The welded wire mesh is stronger than regular chicken wire and should work better against potential predators, snakes, jackals, mongoose, and other things. I had a bit of difficulty installing the door. The hinge side was easy, but the latch was the problem. First, I struggled to get the latch to sit flush because the wire mesh, with lots of staples, was the problem. And second, I had to add a little block because the post had a bend to it. Anyway, I got it done. Quick and easy door for the new chicken coop. And it gets the thumb up approval. And even Daisy gives her approval and says, "Have an awesome day."